Welcome to the International Business Conference in Canada. Organized by Global Conference Alliance. A premier event where innovation meets opportunity. Take part in engaging keynote sessions from industry leaders sharing insights on global trends and the future of international business. Engage in interactive workshops designed to provide you with practical resources and knowledge to take your business forward. Network with professionals from around the globe. Build relationships that can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking backdrop of Canada, where business meets beauty. From engaging keynote sessions to interactive workshops and endless networking opportunities, the Global Conference Alliance offers something for everyone. With the invitation letter, you can apply for a Canada visa to join our conference. We also offer Notarized invitation letter, visa expedite request letter, hotel accommodation booking service. Join us at the Global Conference Alliance, International Business Conference in Canada. Register now and be part of contributing to the future of global business.